Minado, aspetta.
Ah! Bacao!
First, let's assemble a mini bulldozer. Keep it up. Let's remove the upper soil layer and add some fertile soil. We need to wash the mini bulldozer. First, let's assemble a covered truck. Keep up the good work. Let's install the drip irrigation system. Let's wash the covered truck. Amazing! Let's assemble a film laying machine. Place the protective film on the soil and form rows. We need to wash the film laying machine. Assemble a tractor with carriage. We did it! Let's buy strawberry seedlings and load them into a truck. Let's wash the tractor with carriage. We need to assemble a transplanter. Hooray! Let's plant strawberries in the prepared planting holes. Wash the transplanter. Don't stop. We need to assemble a strawberry trimmer. Trim the strawberry beds. Let's wash the strawberry trimmer. assemble a market truck. Hooray! Let's collect the ripe berries and bring them to farmers market. We did a great job! The berries we've grown are big and sweet. Let's wash the market truck. That's all. Let's assemble a soil sampling car.